Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all that are here. We are down here, guys, in Indian Pass at Indian Pass Campground. It's in between Apilacha Cola and Port St. Joe. And I'm just going to do a pocket dump real quick. But the main reason I want to get on here is give a shout out to a channel. It's called Deep South Cutlery and Outdoors. They are just a great channel, guys. I come across them on YouTube the other day when I was just spanning through there, and they're located in Mississippi. They sell knives. They do an auction on Thursday nights on Facebook, and they have some of the best looking unique case knives there are out there, and they're just a great bunch of people, family oriented, a lot of fun on that channel. Preacher is the owner of the business. He's just a great man, and Kevin, you'll love him. He is a hoot, I'm telling you. And they sing on there. He has his kids singing and playing the guitars. And it's just amazing. I just love it. I really do. But I just want to give them a shout out. And they're going to be having a chili cook-off the first weekend in April. So if my weekends wasn't already booked, I'd probably try to make it over there, because we got so much stuff to do coming up in all the way through April. April's just going to fly by for us. But I just want to give them a shout out real quick, and I'm going to do a little pocket dump real quick and give you a little tour around our little campsite here. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, the first knife I got, of course, is my custom made 722 Spitfire. It's got S35V in steel, and you can see it's custom knife shop by Buck. I love this knife. It's coyote brown handles, aluminum handles. You got a black clip, black blade, and black liner right here. You can also put the pocket clip in all four corners here, however you want to carry it. And it even got a lanyard hole. Love that knife. Love the Buck 722 Spitfire. The next knife, guys, you know it is a Victorinox SD Classic. It's on my keys for my F250. And there's the main blade there. You can see it's a Victorinox. And you got your nail file with the screwdriver as a tip. Again, guys, they call this the SD Classic because of that little jewel right there. The regular Classic, Victorinox Classic, is just a fingernail file with a regular point, but the SD has a flat tip screwdriver as a point. And again, you got your toothpick, and you have your tweezers here. Again, guys, these are the best tweezers you can buy out there. And then you got your little scissors here, and I use these all the time. There's that cut I did on me. Guys, I'm letting it air out some. I gotta bandage it back up, but the honey is doing really good for it. It really is. It looks good. It's healing fast. Let's see. I don't have that many on me today. Because I got my shorts on. This one here, guys, is a 1947 and 1952 Victorinox. You can see the handles are pinned. You got your punch blade here. You got your corkscrew. You got the bell. They quit putting the bells on the knives after 68. But you got your lobster claw here is a can opener. And you got your flat tip screwdriver with a bottle opener. And of course you got your main blade right there. And see that right there? That indicates 1947 and 1952. Ain't that cool? And you see they pinned the handles on back then. They just seem more solid, and they really are. Very nice knife. And this one here, guys, is my Western fishing knife that I put the handles on. It's got a bottle opener with a fish scaler, and you remove the hook out of its mouth with that right there. And this is the main blade. And you can see it's the Western right there. Hoorah. And just look how well the palm wood turned out for the handles. Ain't that cool? That palm wood is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. And last but not least, I have my little elf here. It's a flashlight by Army Tech. Great little flashlight. I love this thing. I've been using it. A full review's coming real soon on this. But I just love this thing because it's magnetic, and I've used it so much, and it's easy to carry. It's really, really small. See, it's got that clip here that you can clip about anywhere. It also comes with a head strap that you can put on wear on your head. So that's pretty cool. But I love this flashlight. It's got scratch resistant lens there, and the lens is inside the bevel here, and it's very, very nice. It really is. And guys, that is it. Okay guys, I'm making me some coffee with my Jackery 500. It's just a little electrical percolator right here. Pretty cool. It's from the 80s. And here is our campsite. There's my pickup way over there. And here's the campsite down here at Indian Pass Campground. It's in between Apilacha Cola and Port St. Joe. It's like a marsh behind us here. Like a jungle. the Zippos, please, man. Have you got some knives, some pocket knives?
I have one. I have a couple of pocket knives down here. This one I'm not putting out. I'm just showing the people.
Yeah.
This is a killer one.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's huge. Oh my God.
I know. I've never seen. Yeah.
That is huge.
So I'm going out on this one. I'll do 45 on this one. It's probably worth over 200. Yeah, that's a big one.
Pakistan.
And you wanted to see the Zippos?
Yes, ma'am. What you got on them?
He's got. $42.50, and those are new.
You got a used one?
I've got some old ones.
That's pretty though, ain't it?
That is pretty. That is a pretty one. Mm-hmm. I like that. What is that emblem on there? What is that?
It says United States of America. USA.
You can get it. You ain't got one like that?
I tend to don't go for the new ones unless I really know it's Pakistan.
But I have these two. Did you guys ever see one of these? It's an ashtray for when you're up in hunting.
Oh.
I have never seen anything like this before. I thought that was the coolest thing.
That is cool.
Now you got let me see the one with the compass on it right there. What you want for it?
I'm sure it's going to be about the same price.
They're all new.
Yeah, $42.50.
All right, I'll think about it, man.
Sure.
That's a 2022 EABCDE 5th month. That's May of 22. All right, I'll think about that. I'm gonna look at your knives real quick. Oh, yeah.
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry.
Bring all three of those out. Oh wow. $29.
And this one will be 10 if you like.
You got the sweets?
Oh yeah. Look at that one. Fishing knife. $17.50. That's a Camilla. Broken blade. What's the best y'all can do on that one?
Anything over 50, I can discount with this guy.
Oh,
Yeah, it's got to be over 50.
I got you.
And this one I could do 10 on.
Oh yeah, the blade is burnt. It's Imperial. Right there, guys, from 1956 all the way to 1988 was that knife was made. According to that stamp tag. But it's, I guarantee it's from the 50s or 60s. Yeah, it's got a broke tip.
How much is it?
17.
Is it American? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll buy a brand new one for that. She looking nice though. Okay, so what? All right, now if we do these three, that would be over 50, right?
Per item. I'm so sorry. I can't. He set me on a tiered breakdown. $50 is per item. 10%, 150 is 15. Yeah.
Okay.
So these I'm putting back?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Good bit.
All right, I'm gonna get this one.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'll think about these two, man, but I ain't gonna get that one.
Absolutely. All right, I have you 1873, and that's
Yes,
your
ma'am.
year 20.
What I found, guys, outdoor store has some bucks. Look at them jewels right there. Kershaw. Never heard of Whiskey Mint. I was hoping they'd have an Oppenheimer up at Winchester, but I know that's China made. Kershaw's look good. Look here, y'all. Hey, get them up. I'm gonna buy this right here. Check that out. Is that cool?
Yep.
If that camouflage had a mesh on the back, I'd buy it. Look at this. Ready to serve. Like that camping case. Trapper. See that, man? Pretty cool, isn't it? That's a beautiful bone right there now. Beautiful stag. So again, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I really do, and y'all go on over there and y'all check out Deep South Cutlery and Outdoors. Great channel, lots of fun, and lots of great knives. And again, they have a knife auction every Thursday night. Just some of the best looking knives, and they go in detail, and they really know their stuff about the bone, about the handles. They're just great folks. Y'all go over there and give them a chance, and I guarantee you'll love them. You really will. Anyway, guys, I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night.